The mortal remains of Lamnunthem Singson'S, who tragically lost her life in the Air India crash in Ahmedabad, were formally handed over to her family by the authorities of Civil Hospital Ahmedabad on Tuesday. Arrangements have been made for dignified repatriation of her remains to her hometown. The body will be transported via Indigo Flight 6E6441 on Ahmedabad-Guwahati-Dimapur route. The flight is scheduled to arrive at Dimapur Airport at 1:40 p.m. on June 19. Officials informed that all necessary protocols and support systems have been put in place to assist the grieving family throughout the repatriation process. It may be mentioned that Lamnunthem Singson'S was among the passengers who lost their lives in a tragic accident involving an Air India aircraft earlier this week in Ahmedabad. The incident has sent shockwaves across the country, with condolences pouring in from all quarters.